Hello everyone, and welcome back to another English listening and speaking practice session. Today we are going to talk about something simple, enjoyable, and useful for daily conversation. How to talk about your relaxing day in English. Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but they often struggle when talking about everyday experiences. That's why today's lesson will help you speak naturally and confidently about your peaceful and relaxing day. As you listen, try to repeat the sentences after me. Speaking out loud is one of the best ways to improve your English fluency. So let's begin. Imagine that today was a calm and peaceful day. You woke up early in the morning feeling refreshed and happy. You looked outside your window and saw the beautiful sunlight. The weather was pleasant and everything felt calm. You stretched your body, smiled, and started your day with positive energy. In English, you can say, "Today was a very peaceful day." Repeat after me. Today was a very peaceful day. Again, today was a very peaceful day. Great job. You can also say, "I felt relaxed throughout the day." Repeat, "I felt relaxed throughout the day." Excellent. After waking up, you prepared a nice breakfast. Maybe you had eggs, toast, fruit, or a cup of tea. You enjoyed your breakfast without any stress or hurry. You took your time and enjoyed every moment. You can say, "I enjoyed a quiet breakfast this morning." Repeat, "I enjoyed a quiet breakfast this morning." Very good. Another useful sentence is, "My morning was calm and relaxing." Repeat, "My morning was calm and relaxing." Wonderful. After breakfast, you decided to spend some time reading a book. Reading is a great way to relax and learn new things. Perhaps you sat near a window or in a comfortable chair. You felt peaceful while turning the pages of your book. You can say, "I spent some time reading a book." Repeat, "I spent some time reading a book." Again, "I spent some time reading a book." Excellent. You can also say, "Reading helped me relax." Repeat, "Reading helped me relax." Great. Later in the day, you went for a walk. The fresh air felt wonderful. You noticed the trees, the sky, and the sounds around you. Walking helped you clear your mind. You can say, "I went for a relaxing walk." Repeat, "I went for a relaxing walk." Very nice. Another sentence, "The fresh air made me feel refreshed." Repeat, "The fresh air made me feel refreshed." Excellent work. Sometimes a peaceful day means spending time with family. Maybe you talked with your parents, siblings, or friends. You laughed together and enjoyed meaningful conversations. You can say, "I spent quality time with my family." Repeat, "I spent quality time with my family." Again, "I spent quality time with my family." Wonderful. Another sentence, "We had a pleasant conversation." Repeat, "We had a pleasant conversation." Great job. Now let's learn some useful vocabulary. Relaxing. Relaxing means calming and enjoyable. Example, "It was a relaxing afternoon." Repeat, "It was a relaxing afternoon." Peaceful. Peaceful means calm and free from stress. Example, "The park was peaceful." Repeat, "The park was peaceful." Comfortable. Comfortable means feeling relaxed physically or mentally. Example, "I sat in a comfortable chair." Repeat, "I sat in a comfortable chair." Excellent. Let's practice a short conversation. Listen carefully. Person A, "How was your day?" Person B, "My day was very relaxing." Repeat, "My day was very relaxing." Person A, "What did you do?" Person B, "I read a book, went for a walk, and spent time with my family." Repeat, "I read a book, went for a walk, and spent time with my family." Very good. Person A, "That sounds wonderful." Repeat, "That sounds wonderful." Excellent. Now let's talk about a relaxing afternoon. After finishing your work or studies, you decided to rest. You listened to some soft music, you sat comfortably, and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere. You can say, "I listened to relaxing music." Repeat, "I listened to relaxing music." Again, "I listened to relaxing music." Wonderful. Another sentence, "The music helped me feel calm." Repeat, "The music helped me feel calm." Excellent. In the evening, you watched a beautiful sunset. The sky turned orange, pink, and golden. The view was amazing. You felt grateful and happy. You can say, "I watched a beautiful sunset." Repeat, "I watched a beautiful sunset." Great. Another sentence, "The sunset was breathtaking." Repeat, "The sunset was breathtaking." Excellent. Now let's practice speaking longer sentences. Repeat after me. "Today was one of the most peaceful days I have had in a long time." Again, "Today was one of the most peaceful days I have had in a long time. Excellent. Next sentence. I enjoyed every moment and felt completely relaxed. Repeat. I enjoyed every moment and felt completely relaxed. Wonderful. Next sentence. Spending time in a calm environment improved my mood. Repeat. Spending time in a calm environment improved my mood. Great job. Let's practice a short story. Listen first. Today was a peaceful and relaxing day. I woke up early and enjoyed a quiet morning. After breakfast, I read a book and spent some time outside. The weather was beautiful and the fresh air made me feel refreshed. In the afternoon, I listened to music and relaxed. Later, I spent time with my family and enjoyed meaningful conversations. In the evening, I watched the sunset and felt grateful for the wonderful day. Now repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Today was a peaceful and relaxing day. Repeat. I woke up early and enjoyed a quiet morning. Repeat. After breakfast, I read a book and spent some time outside. Repeat. The weather was beautiful and the fresh air made me feel refreshed. Repeat. In the afternoon, I listened to music and relaxed. Repeat. Later, I spent time with my family and enjoyed meaningful conversations. Repeat. In the evening, I watched the sunset and felt grateful for the wonderful day. Repeat. Excellent work. Before we finish, remember this. Fluency does not come from studying grammar all day. Fluency comes from listening, speaking, and practicing consistently. Even 10 to 20 minutes of English practice every day can make a big difference. Try talking about your own peaceful day in English. Describe what you did, how you felt, and what made you happy. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for listening and practicing with me today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. Have a peaceful day, and I'll see you in the next English practice session. Goodbye, and take care.